Welcome to Herbal Help. Dive into the world of natural remedies and holistic wellness with us. On this channel, we explore the healing powers of herbs, offering practical tips, DIY recipes, and insightful discussions on incorporating herbal remedies into your daily life. Whether you're seeking solutions for common ailments, curious about herbalism, or simply want to embrace a more natural lifestyle, join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of herbal healing and nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Today, I'm going to share a DIY recipe for younger looking skin: turmeric, lemon, and aloe vera face mask. This simple and effective mask combines the anti-inflammatory and brightening properties of turmeric, the vitamin C and astringent qualities of lemon, and the hydrating and soothing benefits of aloe vera. Together, these ingredients work to improve skin tone, reduce fine lines, and give your skin a radiant, youthful glow. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon freshly squeezed lemon or lime or grapefruit, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel freshly blended. Instructions: prepare the mask. In a small bowl, combine the turmeric powder, lemon juice, and aloe vera gel. Mix well to form a smooth, spreadable paste. Before applying it to the skin, cleanse your face thoroughly and pat it dry. Use clean fingers or a brush to apply the mask evenly to your face and neck, avoiding contact with the eyes. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. You may feel a slight tingling sensation due to the lemon. Rinse off. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging your face in circular motions to exfoliate. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Follow up. Apply coconut oil as a light moisturizer to lock in hydration. Benefits of this recipe: turmeric reduces inflammation and redness, helps fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, contains antioxidants that combat free radical damage. Lemon juice brightens skin and lightens dark spots due to its natural vitamin C content, acts as a natural astringent, tightening pores and reducing oiliness. Aloe vera hydrates and soothes the skin, promotes collagen production, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines, helps heal minor skin irritations, and boosts elasticity. Frequency of use: use this mask 1 to 2 times per week for best results. If you have sensitive skin, reduce the lemon juice amount or substitute it with rose water. Pro tips: do a patch test before applying the mask to your face to ensure you don't have a reaction. Use an old towel to pat your face or wipe off the mask, as turmeric may stain fabric. Always follow with a light moisturizer, as lemon can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Enjoy your refreshed, glowing, and youthful looking skin. Continue to use for 1 month and see the difference. Let me know how it works for you or if you'd like other recipes.